We're entering an era in which our enemies can make it look like anyone is saying anything at any point in time.
The video you just saw is a hoax. Hard to believe, isn't it? Well, we live in an era where seeing is no more believing. Trust me, it's a fake video made using deepfake technology. So, what are deepfakes? Deepfakes are realistic looking videos and audios that are actually fake. What are the technologies behind it? Deepfakes are achieved using AI algorithms and deep learning technology. Every new technology advancement has its own merits and demerits. Deepfake is no exception. Let's talk about advantages first. Deepfakes can be used to create high quality entertainment content. For example, they can be used to create realistic characters in movies, TV shows, and video games. And coming to the disadvantages of deepfakes, deepfakes can be used to propagate misinformation, impersonate others, and perpetrate other sorts of abuse. So it basically boils down to who is using it and how they want to use it. How to spot a deepfake? It's very difficult to spot a deepfake because now the technology has been so much upgraded. Unusual skin tones, stains, strange lighting, and oddly positioned shadows indicate that what you are seeing might be fake. So you can just make use of these visual cues to decide whether it's real or fake. So if you get any deepfake video or photo, don't share it blindly. Try to get to know the reliability of the source, and if it is fake, please do not share further. Okay, folks, see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.